Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you're getting a F67 error on your Miele brand washing machine. So what is this error and how can we get rid of it? So first of all, you will get the F67 error if the circulation pump is unable to spin as fast as it thinks it needs to spin. So it has a set RPM that it's looking for, and if it's spinning too low, it will give you this error. And what that means is that something is preventing it from spinning fast enough. So what you're going to want to do is basically you're going to need to get in there and clean the circulation pump out. Especially if there are any, especially like in a washing machine, like buttons can come off and stuff like that. And so little small foreign objects can get in there and jam up and clog up pumps, both circulation pump and drain pump. And so the way to get rid of that is just to get in there, clean it out, and make sure there aren't any objects obstructing its spinning. And then you should be able to get rid of this error and get everything operating normally. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.